is celebrated on the day of Purnima or the full moon in the month of Falgun. What is Falgun, you may ask? Falgun is the 11th month in the Bengali and Nepali calendar. Now that we know this fact, let's have a story time. Holi in a nutshell celebrates the story of Holika and Prahlad. Who are these two people, you may ask? Let's find out. To begin from the start, there was once this demon king called Hiranyakashipu, who was a demon lord. Hiranyakashipu had two siblings, Holika and Hiranyaksha. One day, on knowing that Hiranyaksha's son Andhak, who was a blessing from Lord Shiva, was being used as a tool to take over all the three worlds, there was immense fear among all deities. And then, do you know who stepped in? It's none other than Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu understood that there was only one solution to assassinate Hiranyaksha. In a bid to avenge Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, his older brother, decided he was going to take over heaven. Everyone in Hiranyakashipu's kingdom started praying to him rather than the other gods. Except, of course, his own son. His son Prahlad was a devout devotee of Lord Vishnu and prayed to him about his father's deeds. Angered by his son's actions, the demon king lit a fire and used the help of his sister Holika to burn Prahlad. And over here, we need to remember one important point. Holika had the power not to be burnt. So she was asked to hold on to Prahlad, and then both of them were set on fire. Miraculously, Prahlad came out of the fire unscathed, while Holika was burned to ashes. Lord Vishnu stepped in at the right time and saved his life, burning the demoness Holika in the process. Hiranyakashipu was also killed eventually by Vishnu himself, celebrated in modern India as a bid to commemorate good over evil, with the burning of the pyre as a show of that. Now that we know the story of Holi, let's dive into the history of how long it's been celebrated since. As per historical evidence, Holi has been celebrated as early as the 4th century CE. Poems documenting the celebration of the festival from as early as the 4th century comprise of the hard evidence. This festival marks the beginning of spring after a long cold winter. So that is all you need to know about the history of Holi in a nutshell. I am sure you are all looking